Hi guys, this is Usama. I have higher Y11B laptop cum tablet here and I'm gonna unbox it for you. And it is the same laptop that is given by the Prime Minister laptop scheme in Punjab. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you the specs of it. So first I'm gonna tear the seal of it. Pretty good. It is some kind of manual. Okay, for the charger and for the headphone. Leave it. The charger maybe. Yes, that's the charger. The mini part of the charger. Okay. Charger. What is this? Okay, it is a warranty card. Battery for 1 year. Right there. Let me remove it. Actually, I am using my only one hand because my one hand is busy in making video. So sorry for the shakiness in the video. Okay, so now it is separated in two parts like that tablet and the end space. The color is nice. It comes with the core inside Core M Pro Windows. Might be 8.1 in it. Register Windows. Okay, teaching me how to do it. Thanks. The best part. It's the tablet. Okay. Pretty good. It is Windows. It's fine. So let me like this. I don't know it is charged or not, but I'm gonna just fix it. Yes. Here is the power button. Okay, it needs charging. So I first charge it. Yes, I'm back. So I just plugged the charger in that spot. It is charging with the blue light. After show here. Fine. So now I'm gonna just power it on. Now it's turned on for the first time. Wow. Nawaz Sharif. It's funny for me actually. It should be Windows sign here, but it is the Prime Minister laptop scheme, so it is written here. So the window is loading for the first time. That's why it is taking too much long. So now it's asking for the region and language. Some information to start the video. Select the country. I'm living in Pakistan, so it's Pakistan. Arab language should be English. keyboard is UK, time is perfect. I accept. My PC name, I'm using it Photon. You can use whatever you want. Skipping the step, it's fine. Okay, the username, the user account. My name is Usama. You can use your own name. Don't need a password. It's fine. Now it's restarting. So actually I really like the color of the machine. It's a silver and black keyboard. The weight is too much weight actually. The speakers here. Setting up the window for the first time, so it's taking time. No, thank God it's on. Okay, so let me check the specs of it. Let's use touch screen. Okay. OS is 8.1 Pro, 64-bit. Language English. It's a higher company. The model number is Y11B. BIOS 5.10. Processor is Core TM. You can see it's 4 CPUs. It's quad core. Memory is 4 GB, like it's 4 GB RAM. Okay. Let me check the graphic card in the display section. 2 GB. Ah, it's fine. Fine with the normal use. Okay. I'm telling one thing more to you. As it is a tablet plus laptop, so there are two hard drive actually. Look, it's showing two hard drive. One is C and one is D. The C is almost 23.2 GB. Okay, 23.2 GB is SSD in the tablet. This tablet in this, and the remaining the drive of almost 500 GB is in the base. So the total hard drive is like 535 GB. Here is SD and SSD, sorry, and here is HSD. So it's a good device. I really like it. The color is nice. Okay, let me deattach it and use it as a tab. So first we remove it and make like that, using it with my one arm. Ta-da! Now it's a tablet. No, actually I'm liking the touch because it's working fine. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.